Please share and follow for more chemistry
Hi, good day,
lectures.
my fans out there. I remain Dr. Diaju, your chemistry lecturer on social media. My last topic was the meaning and the importance of IUPAC nomenclature. Those of you who followed me up that day, you saw the extent we discussed. But today we shall dwell on organic chemistry. Chemistry as a science subject is divided into three main branches: physical chemistry, inorganic chemistry, and organic chemistry. Now, what is organic chemistry? Organic chemistry is the study of the chemistry of all the compounds of carbon. But there are some exceptions to these compounds. For example, the oxides of carbon, oxides, like carbon 2 oxide, carbon 4 oxide are not inclusive. Then we have also thiazocarbonate 4 compounds are not inclusive. Then we have carbon cyanides are not inclusive. All of these cyano salt are not inclusive. Then we have metallic carbides. They are not also inclusive in this organic chemistry. So, then, after knowing the definition of organic chemistry, chemistry also in organic compounds are divided into classes. Now, organic compounds generally are called hydrocarbons. But on the basis of the structural formula, that was how the atoms of hydrogen and carbon are arranged in some molecular patterns, they are also classified into two major groups. One, aliphatic hydrocarbons, and two, aromatic hydrocarbons. Now, I will not dwell on those ones yet, because as we go into organic chemistry, there are certain terminologies that usually come day after day or now after then. So you are not used to them. By the time we mention them as we go along, it will be difficult for you to understand. So let us use some of the terms in organic chemistry. Like now, homologous series. We have alkyl group. We have functional group. So now let us talk about the homologous group or homologous series. Now, hydrocarbons are organic compounds that contains hydrogen and carbon only. That's why they are called hydrocarbons. Now, what is a homologous series? That is the very common language we speak when we talk about organic chemistry. So, homologous series is a family of organic compounds which have a regular structural pattern in which each successive member differs from the rest by a common molecular formula of CH2. So, there are three major homologous series, which include the alkanes, the alkenes, alkynes. There are other ones called the alkanols or the carboxylic acids, which are called organic acids. These are various homologous series. Now let us talk about the alkanes. The alkanes are saturated hydrocarbons. The homologous series is that the members of that family can be derived by a common structural formula of CnH2n plus 2. The board here. Alkanes. CnH2n plus 2. And the N there refers to positive numbers like 1, 2, 3, as the case may be. And there are 10 members in this alkane series, from methane, the number 1 member, to decane, the 10th member. So each individual member of the series is called homologue. Homologue. We can now derive the first member. If, for instance, N is equal to 1, C means then 2 times 2, that is 1 times 2, that is 2. 2 plus this 2, 4. So C is 4. The second one is Cn, that means C2. H times H2, that is 2 times N is 4. 4 plus 2 means 6. Then the third one, C3, the H, 2 times 3 is 6 plus 2, 8. Then the 4, we have C4, H, 2 times 4 is 8 plus 2, 10. Now this first is called the methane. Methane. T is 4. This is called ethane. Ethane. This is called propane. This is called butane. In that order. You can derive up to the 10th one with this formula. So, as it is now, you can derive every other member from this particular formula up to decay. And then other molecular series that come after this, that they are alkenes. They have CN, H2N as the molecular formula, which can derive from alkene down. Then for alkynes, you have Cn, H2N minus 2. That is the general formula, which you can use in deriving the remaining members of the group. As I told you before, each member is called homolog. Now, for the alcohols, we have Cn, H2N plus 1 OH. This is the general formula. The OH is the hydroxyl radical. That's what makes it called alcohol. So from the alkanes, this plus 2, one of these 2 is taken off to represent the alcohol. This OH replaces one of the alkane series to form the alcohol. Then the organic acid, they're called the alkanoic acids. We have Cn, H2N plus 1 COOH. This COOH is called the carboxyl group. That's what makes it called organic acid. You can derive other members like metanoic acid, propanoic acid, pentanoic acid, ethanoic acid, all to decanoic acid using this formula. So, it is expedient that you have to know these terminologies before we go into more of what for studying organic chemistry. So please like it, comment, and share this video. Also follow my line or my account for more chemistry lectures. Goodbye for now. Thank you.